Sound like it's going all right. We have a little update here on the PS5 DualSense situation. Digging a little deeper into iFixit's findings, they have now stated they believe the lifespan to be expected out of gameplay for your PlayStation 5 controller, 417 hours. And they got to this number through what they would consider to be a typical type of gaming habit, playing the game Call of Duty Warzone. That's what they used for their testing. iFixit estimated the average PS5 DualSense would have around 417 hours of full performance. After this, the hardware would start to degrade, meaning the average player may see issues after just a few months. That's a little concerning, I'm sure, for some buyers. We talked about their teardown video, how they exposed some of those internal components, including I believe they're called potentiometers, which were being used, and the lifespan on those. And then also a couple of springs, which appeared to bend out of shape and not necessarily bend all the way back on those joysticks, which may be another contributing factor to this so-called drift, controller drift, joystick, analog joystick drift that many people, I don't know about many people, but some people have experienced. This is one group. This is their findings. This is their analysis. But I'm sure people are rightfully concerned. It's an expensive investment, expensive console. And the controllers aren't cheap. What are they, $60?
Yeah.
Something around there. So hopefully Sony figures out a way to fix it, rectify the situation. I know there's been a class action lawsuit already been filed, which is kind of wild. The thing's barely been out. But as we mentioned in the past article talking about this controller, Sony has been pretty good about fixing previous versions and little kind of things that have been wrong with it at launch. And so let's hope that's what's going to happen in this case, because I think most people would want more than 417 hours.
Oh, yeah.
That would be a guess of mine.